Hello. Today I'm going to show you a few exercises for neck and upper back. As a lot of my patients or students always ask, what can I do? My neck's stiff, there's tension, there's pain, my upper back, my scapular muscles. So they come here for treatment, which of course I will help them. But I also want them to understand that they can help themselves, especially if some of them work on a computer or behind the desk most of the day, or some people even on the cell phone. Okay, it will create an imbalance to the neck and your upper back as well. Let's start. The first one, okay, intertwine the fingers and then put it behind your neck like this. Then bring your elbow in, not too tight, but tight enough so that you can feel your hands is bracing to the muscles and the cervical vertebrae. From here, tilt forward. As you tilt forward, you will feel the neck muscle stretch and open up. And tilt backward, you will feel it also as you go backward. So forward, back, forward, back. As you can see, I'm doing it very slowly. The reason for that is I want to make sure that it opens up the range of movement. If we do it fast, it's not going to happen. Okay? The slower we do, the more the tendons will stretch, ligaments stretch, muscles stretch and open, and the chi and the blood will circulate properly. Now we do side to side, tilt sideways, left, tilt right side, okay? So left and right. Do a set of 8 or a set of 12. Next one. Turn left as if you're looking over your left shoulder. Come forward slowly. Turn right. You can use your breathing if you would like to. So we inhale, turn left, hold your breath, 5 seconds, turn right, and forward. Next one, the chin towards the clavicle. So 1, back to center point. Right side. Okay. So when you tilt this, your chin towards your clavicle, you'll feel a nice pull, a nice stretch on the left side of your neck muscles, and then a nice stretch into your cervical. And then at the same time, you will feel it as well in the upper back area, in between your scapula and the vertebrae. Up. Again. Again. Next one. Tilt sideways as if you want your ear to touch your shoulder or reach your shoulder. So from this angle on the left side, then push your shoulder, your right shoulder towards the floor. You will feel there is a pull from behind the ear, neck muscles, and then into your shoulder. Okay? Then up again. Now right side. Push left shoulder down. Gently, okay? Feel the pull. Nice stretch into your left side as well as partially into your right side. Next, rotations clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you go 1, tilt, 2, clavicle, towards the chest, clavicle, shoulder, up. Notice that I'm not forcing my neck to go all the way down, forward, or no to the side, no all the way backward. You just want it to go smoothly and gently. We don't want to overextend the neck or overextend your cervical vertebrae. I'm going to change to anti-clockwise. You can do clockwise set of 12, anti-clockwise set of 12. Now, push hands up. When you stretch the arms up, it must be more or less in line with the crown of the head, what we call bai hui, the meridian point. Okay? Do 20. So you go stretch. Notice when I stretch, I'm not locking the elbow like this. So keep the elbow still slightly bent. Just lift from here, the side of your intercostal, the muscles from the back, up on the side, and then up, you feel a stretch into the muscle, into your shoulder, all the way up into your hands. Both sides will be equal. Don't put too much on left or right. It must be an equal pressure that when we go up, then you release. Then you go up again. Inhale, hold for 5 seconds, exhale. Okay? So in. Set of 8 or set of 12. Now forward. Feel the stretch forward. Again, don't lock the elbow. Keep the elbow slightly bent again. Okay? So you will feel it same. Now into the upper back muscles, scapular muscles, your back muscles, into your shoulder joint, into your elbow, into your wrist. Relax. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Few times, set of 8 or set of 12. Next, rotation of shoulder forward. First, slightly back, then up towards the ear, then forward. Back, up, forward. Now, backward. So forward slightly, up towards the ear, backward. When you do this exercise, you will feel it in your back muscle, partially from the middle, on top of the middle of the back. Then it will generate through, up along the spine, then laterally spread into the muscles of your back, then into your scapula. So when you here, then it open the scapula, back muscles, and muscles where the clavicle and your chest muscle all. Same when you do the backward, okay? Feel all the muscle from the chest, upper back, scapula, shoulder, loosen up, nice and relaxed. Lastly, bring shoulder up as if you want to touch the ear. It's like your head is going inward. I call it the turtle retract its head. All right, this is all for today. Neck stretching, upper back stretching, scapular stretchings. I hope this will help you and you will do it diligently, gently, smoothly, slowly. Do not do it fast because you need to go somewhere or you have an appointment. Take your time, especially now it's winter. Your tendons contract easily, so is your muscles. So do it properly. Thank you.